that you had a very fantastic weekend. And today, as we're going to start a brand new week, we're going to be doing something very, very interesting that I'm pretty sure you would really love. And oh, by the way, those paper flowers that you made last week, those were very lovely. For our lesson for this week, I'm going to show you how to make 3D paper shapes. I'm going to give you the steps on how to make the 3D paper shapes. Of course, you need to have with you the materials that you will be needing for this project. First, you need to have some papers. You can use colored construction papers or bond papers or scrap papers, anything that you have there, it doesn't matter. But if you would want your shapes to be very bright and colorful, then of course you can choose the construction papers, the colored ones. And of course a pair of scissors, and you will also be needing a ruler and the glue. What are we waiting for? Let's get it on. Those steps were so easy, right? Now I know that you would love to make more of those 3D shapes, but I'd like you to continue doing it during your leisure time. As of now, we will get into our lesson for this week. Polygon. Have you come across with the word polygon? Fantastic, you're on your way. What is a polygon, by the way? A polygon is a two-dimensional shape formed with straight lines. Triangles, quadrilaterals, pentagons, and hexagons are all examples of polygons. Is this a polygon? Why or why not? No, polygons are closed figures. Is this a polygon? Why or why not? No, it is not made of line segments. What about this? Is this a polygon? Why or why not? No, its sides do not intersect in exactly two places each. We have what we call a regular polygon. A regular polygon is a polygon whose sides are all the same length and whose angles are the same. The sum of the angles of a polygon with n sides, n here means the number of sides, where n is usually 3 or more, is 180 degrees times n minus 2 degrees. Now, are these regular polygons? Why or why not? No, these sides are all the different lengths and the angles are all different. Vertex. The vertex of an angle is the point where two rays that form the angle intersect. Vertex of a polygon. The vertices of a polygon are the points where its sides intersect. A triangle is a three-sided polygon. The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Equilateral triangle. A triangle having all three sides of equal length is what we call the equilateral triangle. The angles of an equilateral triangle all measure 60 degrees. Isosceles triangle. It is a triangle having two sides of equal length. Triangle. It is a triangle having three sides of different lengths. Acute triangle. A triangle having three acute angles. Obtuse triangle. A triangle having an obtuse angle. One of the angles of the triangle measures more than 90 degrees. Right triangle. A triangle having a right angle. One of the angles of the triangle measures 90 degrees. It is a four-sided polygon. The sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Rectangle. A four-sided polygon having all right angles. The sum of the angles of a rectangle is 360 degrees. Square. Square is a four-sided polygon having equal length sides meeting at right angles. The sum of the angles of square is 360 degrees. Parallelogram. A parallelogram is a four-sided polygon with two pairs of parallel sides. The sum of the angles of a parallelogram is 360 degrees. Rhombus. A rhombus is another four-sided polygon having all four sides of equal lengths. The sum of the angles of a rhombus is 360 degrees. Here is another four-sided polygon, which is called trapezoid, having exactly one pair of parallel sides. The two sides that are parallel are called the bases of the trapezoid. The sum of the angles of a trapezoid is 360 degrees. One is pentagon. The pentagon is a five-sided polygon. The sum of the angles of a pentagon is 540 degrees. There are two types of pentagon, the regular and the irregular one. Here is the six-sided polygon, which is called hexagon. The sum of the angles of a hexagon is 720 degrees. Next in line is heptagon. A heptagon is a seven-sided polygon. The sum of the angles of a heptagon is 900 degrees. Is the eight-sided polygon, which is called octagon. The sum of the angles of an octagon is 1080 degrees. Coming right up is nonagon. A nonagon is a nine-sided polygon. The sum of the angles of a nonagon is 1260 degrees. Is decagon. Decagon is a 10-sided polygon. The sum of the angles of a decagon is 1440 degrees. Is the circle. A circle is the collection of points in a plane that are all the same distance from a fixed point. The fixed point is called the center. A line segment joining the center to any point in the circle is called a radius. See how much you have learned today. What is the name of this polygon? An octagon. Good job! How many sides does a quadrilateral have? 4. Fantastic! How many sides does a pentagon have? 5. Great! How many sides does a hexagon have? 6. Astonishing! This is a pentagon. Pentagons have 5 sides and 5 angles. Awesome! Which quadrilateral has only one pair of parallel sides? Trapezoid. Wow! Name this shape. Rhombus. Absolutely. Identify the polygon. Quadrilateral. Perfect. Has 2 pairs of parallel sides. Parallelogram. Very good. Which quadrilateral has 4 right angles, 2 sets of parallel sides, and is also a parallelogram? Square. Great! You did an excellent job today. Thank you and see you next time. Goodbye.